Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about the SQL Server right join. So what is right join? Right join return all the matching rows plus non-matching rows from the right table. So table 1 it has 4 rows 1 2 2 null. Consider this is a foreign key column. Join with a table 2, it has a 4 row 1 2 3 4. Consider it is a primary key column. Right join will combine all the matching rows, which is 1 2 2 and non-matching row from the right table 3 and 4. Let's see in a real example. Here is the department table. Department table has a primary key department number and 4 row 1 2 3 4. When primary key department number lies in a different table, become foreign key. So department number in a employee table become foreign key. It has a 4 row 1 2 2 null. When number primary key from department table and department number foreign key from employee table can be combined using cardinality one to many relationship. One coming from primary key department table side, many coming from foreign key employee table side. Right join will combine all the matching row from the both table, which is 1 2, and also return non-matching rows from the right table, which is 3 and 4, which did not have any matching row in a employee table. Let's do this in a practical. See, here is the two table. Select all from employee and select all from department. If I run these two table, you will see the table I have shown previous is exactly the same table in my slide. So now we can join these two table. So you have to write the query select select. We can write, we take couple of column from the both table, name, salary, and department name, and the location from employee, and we can give the alias e, and then we can do the right join department we can give alias d. So on e dot department number equals to d dot department number. So now if I run this join query, it will bring all the matching rows as well as non-matching rows from the right table. You can see the line 4 and 5, these two departments sales and operation did not have any employee in an employee table. That's why it's showing null. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand clearly. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye now.